I was inspired by this move with my girls at the club. Because we would hip bump each other. We'd be like, oh yeah, girl. And we would say, oh yeah. What's up, Class Fitsugar? It's your girl, Poofy, in the house. And today I've got for you a 10-minute cardio HIIT. This workout is so good. It's gonna leave you feeling energized, and you can do this anywhere. You ready? Let's get it. All right, Class Fitsugar, we're in it to win it. We kick this thing off with squats and an overhead reach. Drop it down, pull it back up. All right here is where we connect to our mind, our body, and our spirit. Big breath in, strong breath out as you sit down. Now check out Chelsey. She's got any modifications you might need. And you can check out Lilian. She's gonna be keeping up with me.
Oh yeah. You guys got this.
We're
going full out on this.
Full out.
Next still a workout.
We've got our butt kickers with chest openers. And see, you can rock side to side. Or if you like Destiny's Child, I want the house jumping. Let's go. Make sure you drive your heel towards the back of your butt. Relax your shoulders and squeeze a $100 bill right between your shoulder blades.
Just make it an even $1,000.
Yeah, $1,000 is what I call making moves, making
money moves.
Money moves, yes. Body bank account saying cha-ching. All right, move it to the back of your mat. We got plank walkouts. Walk it out, let's go right here. All the way to the end of the mat. Squeeze your abs and walk it back up. Now you can reach for the sky if you'd like, and then walk it back down just to kind of reset. A few more here. Now, we're not here for a long time, we're here for a good time. So you make this feel good for you, okay? Take your speed how you'd like, and then meet us into the next exercise. We got one more for you here. Taking it back to our playground days. Ready for skip jumps, let's go. Hands behind your head. Try to get your knee to your elbow as best you can. Light on your feet. I like to think about doing these on the top of your building, and you're trying not to wake your neighbors. Yeah.
Tiptoeing.
Tiptoeing, but still keeping that energy. A few more breaths here, we're almost there, team. Then we have a 20-second break. I'm gonna tell you what we're doing today.
Oh yeah,
3, 2, 1, let it go. Whoo, get your life together, big breath in, big breath out.
Pull up those leggings.
Just like that,
yes,
big breath in, big breath out. All right, team, we're gonna be moving through a series of exercises, 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. We only have one round to do it, so let's get into it. Right here, we start off with 2 squat pulses. Sit down low, 2, jump in and out. Let's go. In and out. Let's sit down low. How low can you go?
We're going low.
Can you go down low? All the way to the floor. Breathe through this, team. Ooh, you're gonna feel that burn. In,
I'm
burn,
feeling it.
out. You sit down low for 2, jump your feet in and out. Hands can be in prayer. They can be outside. They can be to your head if you'd like. However you'd like to do this, it's your workout. Give me one more, we can do this. And let it go. Woo, shake it out. All right, next up, don't run from this, run into it. We have burpees. Come back to the edge of your mat. Ooh, I'm ready to jump. You ready, team?
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, 30 seconds on. Let's get it. Oh yeah.
Oh, sweet niblets.
Say what you gotta say, but say something good to yourself. I got this.
We got this. Doing this.
I'm strong. I'm powerful. Now, Poofy is my inner superhero. Who is yours? Let's see it. Go. Keep your breath here. Elongate your body as you send your legs out. You got one more. Come on, team. Woo! Let it go.
Nice, ladies.
15-second rest. Shake it out. All right, congratulations. You made it to some breakdancing conditioning. You signed up for it today. Hip hop mountain climbers. Check me out before we get down to the ground. We jump it in, out, side, back, center. Let's go. Jump it in, back, side, center. Now as you do this, keep a soft bend into your knees so you're not begging please later. Good, big breath in, strong breath out. Take this as you need it. Check out Chelsey. Great job, girl.
Woo, thank you.
The same energy, same intention, just shifting it to feel good for her body. You don't have to have those jumps. Woo.
Nice.
But it's still feeling good. Woo. Let it go. Nice job, team. Shake it out. I like to dance in between my sets. It hypes me up. There we go.
It's like twerk out the soreness.
It is. It's a workout, twerk out. All right, to the edge of your mat, we got lateral shuffle. Stay down low, 2 taps at the end. Let's get it. Move your feet, move your feet. Jump it down, and go again. Now you could step it out, right? You choose how you want to do this, but stay low. Because what do you call it when you make money sitting down?
What do you
Anybody
call
know?
it?
Deposits. Oh yeah, let's go. Money moves right here. Had to show a dad joke
Someone
in
is
there.
in there in the comment section screaming that.
If you like that joke, tell us below. Let it go. Woo. All right, squat knee twist. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Give me this pose right here, hands behind your head. Relax your shoulders, elbows are wide. Sitting down low for a squeeze-out. And you're gonna twist when you come up. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Take a few here, just to feel comfortable, feel confident, feel strong. I want you to imagine you have your favorite saying or quote on the front of your chest and you're showing it to the world. As you sit down, keep it going. Now let's spice it up, add a little jump at the top. We're halfway through. Oh yeah, Lilian, let's get it, girl.
Nice, guys, let's do it.
Little plyo, that jump action. Woo! I feel it, last one. Woo! Let it go. All right, next move. We call this a typewriter. Think of a typewriter going side to side or a little crab. However you like to think of it.
Crab.
We're gonna get down low on the edge of our mat, hands in front, feet behind. Keep your legs bent, and we walk it out to the side. I like to think about a pizza on my back, and then we let the pizza go as we kick through. Hey, do it again to the other side, team. Add that kick through at the side. Now, if you're like, coach, I want more, you add your speed. And then scale back where you need to. But just keep form and intention. Stay in control. You got one more. Let it go. Woo! Meet me at the top. You're doing amazing, team. Sending you some love. Love.
Now I want pizza, though. Dang.
All right, 4 overhead shuffles. Hands up high. 4 of them, 2 jump lunges. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 4, 3, 2. 2 lunges. 1 foot back, and then the other. Do it again. Now, it doesn't matter about left or right here. Just alternate. Make this feel good for you. Keep it breathing. Keep it moving, because movement is medicine.
Love that.
Awesome, team. We're almost there. 5 seconds. You can do this. Give me your last 2. 1. Woo. Check it out. All right, team. We made it to the floor. You want some more? Let's get it. Let's go. 1 elbow down. Feet on the side. We have a side plank lift. Let's go. Hands behind your head. We lift for 2. Keep it up. 2 knee drives. Oh yeah, let's get it. Light tap to drive up. Keep it nice and high. Say yes. Yes.
Yes.
Now I was inspired by this move with my girls at the club. Because we would hip bump each other. We'd be like, oh yeah, girl. And we would say, oh yeah. There it is. Keep it jumping, jumping, team. Keep that energy up. We got 1 more in us, yeah?
We got it. I can go all day. I don't know what
let
you're
it
talking
go. Sexy pose. All right, team. What we do to one side to the other, we gotta cook the bacon on the other side.
Make it even.
Let's go.
Girl, these food references.
Oh, I mean, I work
You make me hungry.
Come on, let's eat this up right here. 3, 2, 1, lift it up. Let's go for that light tap, tap, and pull that knee, because you got it like that. Oh, yeah. How's your breath? Are we holding in our breath?
No, we're breathing.
Are we letting it go and breathing through the movement? Gotta check in with ourselves. Good, team. And check out Chelsey. She has 1 knee on the floor to help keep her stabilized. If you need that modification, it is there for you. Don't be afraid to take it. Give me last 1. Let's go. All right. I'm taking you to the beach with me. So imagine the sun is shining on us. The hands are behind, the feet are front. We're going for reverse plank to toe taps. If you're with me, let's go. Reaching for that opposite toe with your opposite hand. Now, I love this workout. I designed it with you in mind, because sometimes when we're on the go and we still need to get our movement in, we might not have a mat, we might not even have a towel, but we might have an easy space to do this in, whether it's in your hotel, at the beach. in your grass. This is a no excuse workout right here. Keep it going, team. We have about 2 more seconds. Give me one on each side.
Let's do it.
Yay! Woo! All right, it's not nap time yet, but you are gonna be on your back. Tricycles. Think about a bicycle where we go 1, 2, hold. Let's go. I think about this as a poofy pose. Ready? Knees up 90 degrees, flat back on the floor. Let's go. 1, 2, hold. Think about a picture. 1, 2, hold. Good. A tip for you here. Think about an apple underneath your chin to keep your neck long, and a light tap on the back of your head and your elbows wide.
I'm thinking about a green apple.
Ooh, green apple to match the fit, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I love that, Lilian. A few more here,
Lilian.
team. Woo, here we go. Here's 3, here's 2, here's 1. We're done.
Yes.
And just like that, Class Fitsugar, we did it. Give yourself a round of applause. Meet me on your mat, big breath in, strong breath out. Let's do 2 more like that, big breath in, strong breath out. Your last one, seeing if you can elongate your breath here. Big breath in, drop your shoulders, expand your belly. Let it go slow. Seal it into your heart. Bow in honor of your time, your energy, and your sweat. Thank you at home. Thank you, Lilian.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chelsey, for
girl.
being here. And if you like this workout, make sure to subscribe for more. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.